Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video. I was talking with somebody in my Zello chat and they were having issues running the repeater software using Windows 11. I think he said it would crash. I told him how to run it in a compatibility mode. He's going to try that, but I thought I'd do a quick video on how to do this, so if other people out there are having issues, they can go ahead and give this a try. It's real simple to do. What you do is you go to the icon of the repeater software, you select it, you right click it, you hit properties. Now you go to compatibility mode, you check this box that says run this program. Now you can select what version of Windows to run this program in. This only affects the icon you are doing. In this case, it's the repeater software we're doing. This procedure will work with other programs, not just the repeater software. So if you have other programs that are crashing on Windows 11, try this. This may fix it. Now, I'm sure you're probably wondering, well, which one do I select out of all these? Well, if you're on Windows 11, obviously you can, Windows 10. I didn't have a problem with Windows 10, but the lowest I can vouch for is Windows 11. And how I know that? Because the computer I'm making this video on is Windows 11, and I've been running this software 24/7 in my repeater channel, and it's not, so far it's been working fine. So the lowest that I can confirm that the repeater software works on is Windows 8. Just to let you know that. So he was on Windows 11 and it was crashing. I don't remember how often it was, if it was right away or after a little bit. I don't remember what he said, but it was crashing. So hopefully this will help him fix his problem. So I thought I'd share that with everybody. So if other people are using Windows 11, this may be the way to solve it. Also, make sure that you're using the newest version of the repeater software, because the author may update it too. So also do that. I'll post a link to the repeater software in the description below. So make sure you're using the newest version. And if you don't know what version you're on, you can go. Let me click out of here. It'll tell you here right on top. This is version 2.45. So that right there is a version that this one is. So make sure you're using the newest version too, because that can make a big difference. So at any rate, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. And please subscribe. And thank you for watching, and have a good day.